Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's unlock our SIM card. 3, 4. Now we should unlock our smartphone, and after that let's launch the settings application. Then scroll here a little bit down to the security section and you'll see here the SIM card lock. Now just to remove SIM pin from our SIM card, we should click here only once on the switcher, and now we should just enter here our currently pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Now just let's tap here to OK, and we can see that we just successfully remove SIM pin from our SIM card on our smartphone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.